In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Trello boards. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're doing. Deleting a Trello board is permanent. Once it's gone, you can't restore it, so make sure you really don't need the board or its cards anymore. If you just want to hide it for now, closing a board without deleting it is a safe middle ground. Also, you'll need to be a board admin to permanently remove it. If you're not an admin, you'll see fewer options. Start by opening the board you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right one. Glance over the board title, lists, and any important cards to ensure nothing critical is still there. If you need to keep any details, consider copying keycard content elsewhere first. Next, look to the top right corner of the board and click the three dots. This opens the board menu. It's the place where you control high-level settings for your board, including the option to close it. If you don't immediately see what you need, scroll within that menu to reveal more actions. Now scroll down and click Close Board. Trello will ask you to confirm by clicking Close. This step removes the board from your active workspace view, but it does not erase it yet. Think of a closed board as archived, out of the way, but still recoverable for now. If you realize you closed the wrong board, you can reopen it at this stage instead of going any further. When you're sure you want it gone for good, choose Permanently Delete Board. Trello will prompt you one final time to make sure. Click Delete to confirm. After this, the board and its contents are permanently removed, and collaborators will no longer have access. Attachments, checklists, and comments tied to that board go with it, so be certain before you click. If you don't see the option to permanently delete, you likely don't have admin permissions on that board. In that case, you can stop after closing it, or reach out to an admin to complete the deletion. And if you're unsure whether you'll need the content later, it's perfectly fine to leave the board closed for a while before deciding. That's it. Open the board, use the three-dot menu, close the board, and confirm. Then permanently delete and confirm. Simple, clear, and done. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And consider subscribing for more quick guides.